You don't even know what's in it yet.
Mommy!
Oh, are you so excited by those? Maybe I'll get you those for your birthday next year. What's in there? Oh, what is that? Whoa. What are those?
That's Minnie Mouse.
It's Minnie Mouse?
That's Minnie.
And Mickey?
That's Minnie.
Yeah, what is in the cup?
I don't know.
Let's see. Oh, that's for Mommy. Yeah. Okay, let's see what else is in here.
That's Buzz.
It is Buzz. Oh my goodness.
Daddy, that?
You got a cup with Buzz and Woody? Say thanks, Grandma and Aunt Chris.
Want to do that?
Yeah, you don't want to say that? Okay. Okay, let's see what else is in here. You want to help me? Okay, help me see. Grandma and Aunt Chris? Okay, let's see what else is in here. I'm going to set these over here for right now. What else is in there?
Like two.
Are those for Peyton?
Like two.
They're for Peyton.
Like two.
Pink shoes.
Like two.
Yeah. Thank you.
Have them.
Yeah, thanks.
Have them.
Okay, let's see what else is in here first. What else? That's for Peyton.
That's two.
That's for Mommy. Ooh.
That's a Peyton.
Mommy and Peyton stuff, it looks like. Oh my goodness. Uh-huh. For Peyton?
See that?
Cute.
See that? That's a pooper.
That is a football.
And it.
Is that for you?
Uh-huh.
Let's look at it and see.
Uh-huh.
What else? Oh, you see what else is in here.
That's a little one.
Spider-Man? What else?
That's Woody Bird.
Woody?
That's Bird.
And Buzz? Oh my goodness. What is it? Is it a spoon and a fork?
Uh-huh.
Let me see. It is. I'll have to tell them we almost bought those, huh?
Daddy boy.
There's pictures in there. Here, I'll take this. Oh, thanks.
That's Peter.
Oh, Panda! Oh my gosh, we're going to be watching that all day. Sweet!
And that.
Yeah! Say,
What's it?
can you say thanks, Grandma, and thanks, Aunt Chris? Say thanks, Grandma.
What's it?
Yeah, we can watch it.
Am I?
Thanks, buddy. Look, there's some stickers in here, too. What's on there?
Want to see that?
You want to see that? Okay. It's like Christmas. What's on there?
What's basketball?
Basketball?
Baseball.
And a baseball? Oh my goodness.
Baseball.
Baseball. And a bat. And stars. All kinds of stuff on there. Football? Yeah. Is there a soccer ball?
That's a baseball.
A baseball, yep.
That's a baseball too.
Baseball again. Can you say thank you, Grandma? Say thanks, Grandma. And thanks, Aunt Chris.
What?
Say thank you.
Want to see that?
You don't want to say that?
Please.
Okay. You can play with these and we'll go watch Panda. Say love you, Grandma. Love you, Aunt Chris.
Thank you. What's you? The water?
Are you going to put some water in there and drink it? Oh.
This it.
Okay, we'll get some. Say,
No.
say love you, Grandma, Aunt Chris.
Want to see that?
You don't want to say that? Okay.